Hey, what's up everybody? Here we go with another day trading recap video. So you can see right here, closing the day in the green. Not really though. My realized income is, or profit is $42. But you can see right there, those commissions are deadly in SureTrader. So $89.80 of commissions. So that leaves me in the red today, with my net being 49.80 in the red. So that's fine. That's totally fine. You can see right here, it's my trade log's gone. SureTrader's been acting really strange. When I get out of trades and stuff, my information doesn't update right here, and so I have to exit out of SureTrader, open it back up, and then it'll update. But when I do that, it gets rid of my trade log. So today when I did it, I forgot to export my log into an Excel document, and so I lost all the data. So I'll have to go back and look at my live trading recap and record all my trades manually that way. So I can't show you my trades in the recap today verbatim, but you can always go back and watch the recap. And so, yeah. So 9 trades total today. 9 trades. Maybe I definitely overtraded just a bit today with those commissions being so high. I have to be very sure, especially with only taking 500 shares. It'd be different if I'm taking like 1,000, because I'm paying the same commission, right? But having more realized profit on each trade, right? Whereas with 500 shares, I mean, it's like, imagine if you took 1 share. If you traded 1 share, the stock goes up 10 cents, right? You sell, you make 10 cents of profit, but you pay $10 in commissions. And so it's sort of that balance right there, where it's like 500 shares to 400 shares it's enough to, if I trade well, to make profit every single day. And I've proven that. I'm up to 1,300 in equity after today, 1,250. But there's definitely a fine balance. And when you start taking 5, 6, 7, 8 trades, it becomes a little bit too much. And that's what I did today. Overtraded just a little bbit too much. But that's fine. I had to do it because I was actually, my first trade out of the gates was on, if I can, I'm just going to pull up the, let's see. I'm going to pull up the momentum scanner or the gap scanner to see what my first trade was. I forget. Neuro, that's right. So N-U-R-O. So I'll just pull that up. My cats are, okay, my cat just jumped up here on the table. You can't see him, but he's up here. So Neuro, there's his tail. Come on, buddy. Come on. So, sorry guys. I'm just going to let him stay though. So Neuro is up, and let's see. I got in. I'm going to pull this down right here. Come over. Come on, get your tail out of the way, dude. Get down. Get down. So you can see right here, Neuro it broke down. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. You can see right here that pre-market, well, really yesterday, aftermarket, had some news. I forgot what the news was, but it had a catalyst. So it popped up right here from a low of 175 all the way up to 335. So, almost like a 100% move. And it's one of those things where it's tricky, because you can see right here that it's definitely consolidating all throughout the night. Sells off a little bit this morning, then more consolidation this morning, and sometimes the stocks go up. They go back to high of day, and they break through high of day, and that stock is just like parabolic that day, right? That didn't happen today, and so I took my risk, but I think I think it was the right thing to do, because what if we've been seeing stocks move, especially these gappers like this. When they open up, they just fly up, and if you're not on the train, then the train's leaving without you. So I got in, I forget what my exact entry was. I think I got in over, I don't know, I want to say close to $3. Pre-market highs would have been a little bit too high, and so I got in for think it was either the break of VWAP or $3. You'll see in the live day trading recap if you watch it where I got in at exactly. But just know that it didn't work out too well. So I got in and it went to a high of 296. So I think it was for the break of VWAP, which would have been around 290. Went up to 296. I was holding it, hoping that it would break through the whole dollar, and then it would kind of just open up a little bit, you know. Didn't do that. Just ended up selling off. I think I bailed out at like 280, so 10-cent loss. And, you know, first trade out of the gates, I'm down like $50. After commission, $60. After that, take another trade. I forgot what stock it was, but lost like another $30. And then another $10 in commissions, right? So I'm down like close to $100. And then another trade, and then another trade, on and on and on, right? Eventually, I dig myself kind of out of the hole, back up to only down $47. So I'm happy with that. It's my last real red day. Mine is last Wednesday, which I had that trigger finger accident where I was up on the day like $45, but accidentally bought a stock right before my day trading recap, and then I was down $25 in the day. So that was a mistake. If I count that, then my last red day was last Wednesday. But my last real red day, where I just like took bad trades or whatever, was 2 Thursdays ago on the 4th. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's you know, several steps forward, 1 step back. I'm only giving back like half of my profit from yesterday, which is fine. I'm okay with that, right? And not even like 10% of my profit from since the beginning of the month. So I'm happy with that. I can deal with that. So I mean that's really about it for today, guys. I wish I could show you. I mean, I have MYOS right here. So let me pull up MYOS. I traded this one after I reset my SureTrader account or window. So you can see right here, MYOS. Go forward a little bit. So here was the move right here, and you can see it sold off pretty quickly, and now it's done for the day. So I got into MYOS prior to, let me see, pull this timeout right here. Oh, that's my account number. Okay. So I bought at 10.24, which was right before the circuit breaker halt. So I got in before the circuit breaker halt, and it opened up, went to a high of 233. You can see I tried selling on the ask at 233, couldn't get filled, so I quickly flipped and sold at 220 for just like a 4-cent gain. I got into another circuit breaker halt. I think it was on ORPN. Let me just go to that really quick. And like I said, you can see all this stuff on the live trading recap video. So if you haven't been watching those, I encourage you to go ahead and just go watch them. So you can see this halted twice right here. I missed the first halt. I got in for the second halt somewhere and made enough money to get me back into the green. Made like 30 cents, but I think my share size was pretty small just because ORPN is actually restricted 1-to-1, and so I could only take like 300 shares or 200 or something like that. Pretty unfortunate, but I still managed to walk away with a pretty decent win on it. So that's about it for today, guys. 10th trading day of the year for me, and you know, I'm gonna go review those trades for today and see what mistakes I made, what I could have possibly improved on. I still think it was a pretty good day of trading. Even though I'm in the red, I managed to dig myself out of a much deeper hole, and I'm happy with that, you know. So I'll be back tomorrow, Thursday, and I expect to see some pretty decent opportunities. Even a day like today, where we don't have like as much follow through as we have been this month, there's still possibility for you to capitalize on certain stocks, right? And so tomorrow I expect to see the same thing. Even if tomorrow ends up being like today, I know that I can still capitalize on some of these stocks. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back tomorrow with another day trading recap video. All right, take care, guys. Bye.